On Monday, a Tamale High Court annulled the parliamentary election in Kpandai constituency. It sent seismic waves in this chamber. Today, the minority took a very tough stance, accusing the judiciary of working to further the interest of certain paymasters. Listen to the minority leader, Afenyo-Markin, addressing journalists on this matter.
The judiciary must know that their actions and inactions to serve the interests of whoever their paymaster is has the tendency of destroying our peaceful republic. We will not mince words. They can conspire to call us one by one for a so-called contempt of courts. We are criticizing their shameful conduct. We are not afraid. We are ready to be in Nsawam for their so-called contempt.
According to Afenyo-Markin, the NDC went to court on Monday knowing the judgment of the court even before it was read in open court.
The sad part of it is that the NDC candidates and his supporters were aware of the judgment before the day, to the extent that on the day of the said judgment, the regional minister led a team of NDC party faithfuls into the courtroom, anticipating the expected results.
The minority said they are going to challenge the decision to its logical conclusion.
Let me first speak directly to the people of Kpandai. To the people of Kpandai, your Member of Parliament, Honorable Matthew Nyundam, remains the sitting Member of Parliament for the Kpandai constituency. He remains a full Member of Parliament. He remains a proud and active member of the Minority Caucus and the New Patriotic Party.
Matthew Nyundam indeed appeared in the chamber of the House and was seated, and there was no issue until he rose to debate the 2026 budget. And that is when the minority said they were not going to allow that. According to Russell Nelson, the majority chief whip, as far as they are concerned, Matthew Nyundam is no longer a member of parliament.
High Court Tamale has ordered that the outcome of the election, please, these are very serious matters, that the outcome of the 7th of December election 2024, which brought the Honorable Nyundam to this house as the Honorable Member for Kpandai, was flawed, and therefore that election has been ordered to be rerun. Mr. Speaker, ipso facto, the Honorable Nyundam is no longer a member of this house. We have received the court orders and received proof of service. The orders of the court has been duly served on Parliament. It was served yesterday. The Honorable Nyundam can no longer participate in our proceedings. If he's minded to appeal the decision of the High Court, it is right, and he has done so. But it is right that mere filing of an appeal does not operate as a stay.
Minority leader shot back.
We cannot say that he should be walked out, or the majority cannot say that they will not allow him to be in this chamber. There is no such precedence. When the judicial question matter occurred, there was no directive from the chair, neither was there a metro power from the majority to walk him out of this chamber. It did not happen. Judicial question remained a member of parliament. He continued to receive his salary. Mr. Speaker, Judicial question's salary was not stopped. His car was not taken from him. His benefits were not taken from him.
The second deputy speaker who was presiding said he had been given an indication from the Speaker of Parliament himself that he will make a determination on that matter.
The Speaker of Parliament has indicated to me that I should freeze this particular matter relating to Honorable Matthew Nyundam, and therefore I'm not going to make any comment on it. I pray that we hold on with the discussion or the commentary on the budget.
In the coming days, Alban Bagbin will have to determine whether or not Matthew Nyindam will continue to occupy his seat as a member of parliament. Matthew Nyindam, as we know, has now filed a notice of appeal and has applied to stay the decision of the High Court. But until then, as the majority insists, merely filing of an injunction application or an application to stay the judgment of a court does not stay that judgment. They will continue to insist that Matthew Nyindam is no longer a member of parliament. Reporting for JoyNews, Kweku Asante, Parliament House, Accra.